Even when a jasmine plant grows in muddy water, its blossoms spread a sweet fragrance. Likewise, when one engages sincerely in spirituality, the impurities of the mind and burdens of the sin are cleansed, and purity is attained.